G'day everyone, it's Bo from Growthwise. In this video, I'm going to be running through how you can add an additional person into Xero that can actually do superannuation authorizations. So in the past, you could only have one person that was capable of doing this. Xero have recently made an update that now allows you to do two. They started rolling this out on the 27th of July, but apparently since the 11th of August, it should be available to all organizations in Australia. So in this video, I'm going to run through how you can set it up. Okay, so the first thing to do, let's click on payroll and then go to payroll settings. Once we're on this page, we're going to click on the automatic superannuation tab. And then this little middle tile, this sort of slightly grayed out thing is the one that we're looking for. So your Xero organization should now have this message. I would be surprised if it doesn't at this point. I think we're outside of the 10-day window, but if you don't have this displayed, then you might have to just wait a little bit longer. Unfortunately, that's what I've been told. You've just got to wait. But anyway, if you've got this displayed here, it means you can add a second super authorizer, but be aware that you either have to be the Xero subscriber or you have to be the current authorizer. If you're not one of those two things, when you come into this auto superannuation tab, the edit button that's down here will be grayed out. So next step, let's hit edit. Let's see what pops up. Just make this screen visible over here. Looks a little bit different. Review organization details. Nothing should have changed there. So let's go to continue. And this is the part where it's a new experience. So from here, we can go add new authorizer, pick the authorizer, put their number in, hit confirm. So we've now got the two authorizers on the screen. Click continue. Now, again, I'll just have to move my face out of the way over here. There's your continue button. Bank account, you can change if you need to change the bank account, but it should default to whatever it was already set to. Go to continue. And then you'll get the thing about the one-time bank verification where it'll normally do the debit of two amounts to actually verify things. In my experience, when I've changed this for people, it never does that if you've already had auto super set up. So I'm just going to click continue again. And then you'll get the normal disclaimers that I'm going to read in full, obviously. Look at that, read in full. Now I'm going to click on this and then go to finish. And then at this point, you're going to get the message, just move my face again, that actually says that the registration is being processed. In my experience, normally it says 24 hours, but it's more like a couple of minutes. And then when you do payroll, you'll be able to actually select a different authorizer. Alrighty, last bit. So we've done a pay run and we're now going to come in and select the actual superannuation amount that we want to submit. Click on submit for approval, and then we can actually select who we want to authorize it. Now, I'm logged in as me at the moment, but I'm going to select Steph, and I'm going to show you why. If I hit submit now, same process as what you would have normally had in Auto Super. If I go to continue to approve from here, notice how now it actually says that it's going to Steph as the authorizer, and I can't approve it. So you have to log in, or whoever it's been sent to is the person that has to log in and do that last authorization process. Well, there you go. That's all you need to do to be able to add a second authorizer to Auto Super in Xero. If this video has been helpful for you, make sure you leave a comment below. Cheers.